So in this video, I'll be answering the question, is GTA 5 available on your Nintendo Switch 2? And the answer to this is no, it is not available. But if you do want to confirm, then you can always just go ahead and launch the Nintendo eShop and select your user. Then from here, what you want to do is simply scroll and to the search section and select it. Then use the search bar and just type in GTA and then just select done and search. You should see now in the list of search results the GTA or Grand Theft Auto games that are currently available. And as you can see, GTA 5 is not one of those games. But you do have the Grand Theft Auto trilogy as well as them individually. But again, it all just depends on if it's available for purchase. And so if I've answered your question and if you have any other questions that you want answered, then subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.